It's official. We're leaving. We're out of here.
This is the last time you guys are going to see us in Canada for a long time, and it's mainly going to be inside this bomb of an apartment. It looks like a literal bomb has gone off in here. The next time you see us, we will be at an airport flying out of here. So if you don't want to miss that, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell.
I'm cooking our last meal. I'll show you our fridge in a second, but I think we did pretty good.
Yeah, we're trying to eat down to our last supplies of food, and we're doing pretty good. We've had some practice at this, so it's not our first rodeo.
Let's get packing.
By the end of this video, the goal is to have all of this mess packed away into 2 suitcases, which will be going onward with us on our travels, and the rest we don't really know about yet.
We're just gonna quickly head to Walmart because I need a toiletry bag. My toiletry bag is way too big and heavy, so I need to downsize.
Already getting sidetracked.
Maybe we found it? I don't know. There's a few here. Welcome to day 2 of trying to pack up. Yesterday we had the intentions, the great intentions of cleaning this place, getting everything in order, and all we did was run around trying to find a toiletry bag, which I still didn't find. We're gonna go again today to try and find it, and then we need to wash the car, clean the car, because Roggie's getting sold. We have 3 days left. We have 2 days left of work. Crazy how time is flying. I'm trying to soak up every moment of being in Canada, but at the same time, it's so hard when you're like rushing around like a mad person trying to do everything. So the plan for tonight, clean the car, find a toiletry bag, try and pack, because tomorrow we're gonna go get some dessert with some friends. That's probably gonna take up some time. And then Friday I think we're busy because we have to hand over the car. And then it's gonna be Saturday soon. So many things happening. So many things. Let's wash this bad boy.
The last wash.
The last.
Thank goodness.
We're so sentimental. We're like, it's the last snowboard ride. It's the last chairlift.
Sarah's sentimental.
It's the last car ride to the car wash.
It's the last time I'm gonna pull this shoelace on a Tuesday.
It's the last view of the mountain.
It's the last hand on the steering wheel shot.
This is a before. Bye, Raji.
Ever been?
Alright, car's clean. We tried to vacuum the car and both of the vacuum machines are not working. We're back at home and David is currently trying to pack our snowboard bag. This is where we're at. There's a lot going on. I have took everything out the cupboards. Okay, there's plates, but they're not ours. This is a whole heap of stuff that we are going to be hopefully giving away so that it doesn't go to waste. This is what the freezer's looking like at the moment. Fridge. Quite a bit of stuff. Didn't realise there was that much stuff in there. How you going? Oh, great. That's what we need. It's exactly what we need right now.
24.5.
Not bad. So we can put more stuff in then. Well,
I can't fit more stuff.
This needs to go in. Oh my gosh, you're not going to stuff it in there. But 32 kilos, right?
It's full. It's going to bust.
So David's bag is 23 kilos, which is not good.
19.
I have to take some stuff out.
I don't know what we're doing wrong, but somehow we can barely seem to keep it under 20 kilos.
Wait, 19?
Why are you laughing? This is going to be a serious problem in about 24 hours. 2.7.
Oh, great. So I'm
21.7.
21.7. Okay, let's take some stuff out. Not sure where we left you guys yesterday, but we're back again, day 3, trying to get this room sorted. It's still not sorted. There's still junk everywhere. Everywhere. I'm eating spicy noodles for dinner.
We need to find another bag to try and fit 2 carry-ons inside so that we can just check that whole thing as check luggage on my little brother's flight and he can take it home for us.
Are you getting this Canadian Tire?
Whenever I go here, I spend a lot of money. You want to know the price of these? That is the biggest one, I think.
This is not exactly what we're looking for, but I think it's actually better. It's a bit pricey, $80 plus tax, but hey.
Our hockey bag fits our 2 carry-ons perfectly. So pretty stoked about that.
We're gonna try and finish up at least half of this stuff. Head to bed because tomorrow's a big day. We're selling the car.
I've lost count of what day it is, but we are back at it. We've got suitcases packed. And let's just take a moment to appreciate the progress. This looks like a totally different room. This is all our leftover groceries and bits and pieces that we're giving away. Some pots and pans. Managed to fit both of our carry-on suitcases inside this massive hockey bag. It fits like a... just fits really good. And what have you got to say for yourself, madam?
We sold Roger today. We forgot the camera because we had to rush straight from work, get on the bus, go straight to ICBC. So we said goodbye to Roger today.
But it's gone. We did it. And we're really happy how it turned out. Good morning, everybody. It is Saturday. I'm gonna get a haircut soon. Everything's looking pretty good. We've got most of our stuff gone. And tomorrow, we are flying out of here. That's going to be the next video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But today is going to be pretty chilled out, making my last ever breakfast in Canada. Quite a while anyway.
He's looking like a new man.
Feeling like a new man.
Hair flick. Wow.
Can he get it in from here?
Oh my goodness. We're heading to the bank to go and put some cash in there.
Because we're not going to need that where we're going.
We're not going to need Canadian money anymore, so we're going to head to the bank, do that, grab some good lunch.
Are we? Okay. Now you're talking.
We're leaving. We're leaving. We're leaving. It's so sad. Having our last pretzel.
It's...
No, it's okay. We're videoing. Thank you.
It's so hard to walk past this place without getting something. It just got that fresh bread smell.
It smells
so
delicious. Thank you so much. Oh, I can't even open it, but that's what it looks like inside.
That looks delicious.
Stop.
I got the pretzel dog topped with parmesan.
See the inside?
That is a good time.
That was really delicious. That happens
So
all the
bright.
time. We're probably going to end it off here. I forgot my sunnies. I can't see a thing right now.
Next time you guys see us, we will be at the airport flying to a brand new country, so make sure you tune in for that.
Sorry about it being all over the place, but that was our week. It was nuts. It was crazy. Anyway, enjoy the rest of your week and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.